What's up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. I can't believe Christmas Eve is tomorrow. Like, what? It's crazy. I just got my nails done by my sister. She just did a little like green tip there. Just super natural, nothing crazy, but I'm just glad that I got them done because I bite my natural nails and they hurt so bad. So it's not even like a looks thing for me, it's just a pain thing for me. I just cannot stop biting my nail. I just went to Trader Joe's as well and got a couple things, including Carlos and I's favorite. These are the Philly cheesesteak bao buns. These things are so freaking bomb. And even though they are Philly cheesesteak, I still dip it in soy sauce with a little sriracha, and it's so good. So I'm gonna heat up just a couple little things. We're gonna do like a little poo-poo platter of just random things from like Trader Joe's for lunch. So I'm gonna get that stuff heated. Oh, and I'm heating up some salmon pasta that I made the other day. So I'm gonna have a little pasta, maybe a couple of these little bao buns, and just gonna make a random lunch today. This is literally the most random meal, but I'm just trying to eat up some of the stuff that we already have before Christmas. So I made 2 of these little bao buns, a couple pot stickers. These are bomb, they're mini ones. And then just some soy sauce with chili flakes, and then a little bit of salmon pasta. So I just finished up this cookie order, got it all packaged up. We are ready to go. I will show you guys. This is what it looks like all packaged up. I will of course pop a picture in of the final product of what they all look like together. I now just need to secure this box and clean up my mess because there's stuff everywhere. I have the stuff out here on the table I need to put away. That's like my heat sealing machine. And then look at this countertop right now. There's just stuff freaking everywhere. It's a little bit later. I got a little chilly, so I put this little zip up on. I'm spending some time organizing the presents a little bit because some are gonna go to Carlos's parents' house, some are going to my mom, some are going to my dad. So I'm kind of just like grouping them in different places in the house, so that way it's easier tomorrow and on Christmas to like bring them to the different houses. So I already have some, as you can see, on the fireplace, and that's gonna be like gifts that we're bringing to my dad's. I'm gonna get some of my little like teacher totes to pack away, like Charlie's and like ones that we're gonna bring to Sacramento. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna go finish organizing all of these gifts. So these are the teacher totes I was talking about. I think I have 3 of them, but I think the other 2 are out in the garage. So I usually just stuff all of the gifts that are going to like one place in one of these, and then to another place in another one. The ones for Carlos's parents' house though, I probably will need to use all 3 of these. So I'm gonna get to stuffing right now and see how tightly we can pack these bags. Okay, so I have no idea where my other bag like this went. I'm pretty sure it's in the garage, but the garage is a hot mess, so I will look for that later. I've kind of, like I found some smaller bags like that and that. So I kind of like bunched them up as much as I can, I guess. But we still have a bunch under here that still need to be bagged. Are you dogging me? I feel much better now that I've at least gotten some of the gifts organized. Tonight we are, I don't think I even mentioned this in the vlog, tonight Carlos and I are driving to Sacramento to look at Christmas lights. Thought that would be kind of fun. And we're gonna try, this time, to find some place we would like to get food to go from. We're thinking ramen. So that's the plan for tonight. Before we leave for Sacramento, I would like to make some of those Reese's cookies. I bought 2 of these cute little tins from the Dollar Tree, and I want to stuff both of them with those cookies. That way I can bring them over to like my mom's or my dad's or Carlos's parents' house. So I'm thinking I should probably do that right now. So I unwrapped a bunch of the Reese's, I made the dough, and I have this pan out and I'm ready to scoop it in. But I thought to myself, let's try something a little different. So I am going to roll the dough balls in a little festive sprinkles before I bake them. Let's try it.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But that this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
This is my going to look at Christmas lights mask Carlos got for me from Kohl's a couple weeks ago. And there's his. Ho ho ho, you know? I am dying. We're bringing Cash to Carlos's parents' house for a couple days. And he packed Cash some food and labeled it Charlie's lunch, which is Carlos's dad. I am dying. Like, why? Baby, it's cold outside. You guys, I'm pretty sure we're blocking this train right now. It's like we're coming. God damn it. Did you really block it? Oh, yeah. Well, whoops. We were definitely in the way of that
light rail.
That light rail. Light rail train, same thing.
That's what happens when you trust Nicole to tell you, oh yeah, you're good. Plenty of room.
I never said that.
Yeah. I said, am I good? Yeah. We got out.
Yeah, because you're not in the way of traffic. I didn't realize that.
That is traffic.
I didn't realize the train was going to be right there.
You over the tracks?
No, I didn't even see the tracks. So the first thing we got was, how do you say this? Karahi chicken?
Karahi.
Karahi?
I don't really know. Karahi.
I don't really know either. But it's so bomb with that dipping sauce. Then, you guys, the best thing you will ever taste in your entire life are these Brussels sprouts. With these crunchy rice things and cashews, I think. And this sauce. Unbelievable. Carlos's ramen. He got the, I don't know. And then my ramen, I got the mushroom ramen. Mushroom paitan. I don't know how to say that either. Is there any liquid in this?
It's probably in something else, isn't it?
No.
Oh, they want you to add hot water? They probably want us to add hot water. There's some instructions.
No, hang on, maybe.
Yeah, there's liquid. I hear mine.
Oh, I think we dump it in. We have to dump it in, honey. Look.
Yeah.
Oh
Just
my
turn it
God.
over. Well, you don't splash me. Do it over there. Oh, there we go. Look, see the lights going off? Well, you can't because all these lights are on, but
I can see that. As I've said before, it wouldn't be a Sacramento trip without getting coffee, so that's where we're headed. I'm probably going to get a tea though, like a peppermint tea. So we're parked in front of this house right here, and I just posted a picture on Instagram with this dancing Santa, and Carlos said, "Where's that guy at? I missed him." That's so cool, so you can walk through it. Dang. So we just got home from looking at lights. I am freezing again. Earlier I got a package from BoxyCharm that I never showed you guys. It was from the Boxy pop-up. I ordered a couple extra things. I've never tried Gerard Cosmetics, so I got a lip liner in the shade Luna. This is what it looks like. I've heard good things about this brand. and this was only a couple dollars, so I decided to give it a shot. And then I ordered 3, because I love these, of the Ace Beauté lip liner duos. I don't use the red color in here, but the nude color is like an actual dream. So it comes with the red and this shade. Are you kidding me? This is the nude shade. I'm obsessed with it, and I saw it on the site. I think it was, both of these lip liners were like $3, like in total, so $1.50 each pretty much. So I got 3 of them specifically for that nude color. And then I got another one of one of my favorite facial cleansers, which is the Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. It used to be in different packaging, but I like that this one removes makeup, so I got this. And I had just ran out of mine the other day, so perfect timing. Before the night is over, I also wanted to do the Clarins Advent Calendar. Today is the 10th, right? Nope. Today's the 11th. Ooh, this is a 02 lip comfort oil. No way. I love a good lip oil. Ooh, that is seriously so pretty. Ooh, I can't wait. Let me see if this has a smell. This is in the shade Raspberry. Oh, God. It has a really, like, I don't know if I would even want to use this. It's a real, like, fruity scent, and I cannot do it, so I'm not going to use that. It is 10:02, and I'm exhausted. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow, because tomorrow's Christmas Eve, and you guys will get to see my dad's reaction when he opens up our calendar, and then Christmas Day will be my mom's reaction. So don't forget to tune in, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 24.